Okay, so hi. I'm here without a filter because I have made the spontaneous decision to cut my hair to give myself bangs. So we're gonna do that. It is 8:37, I think, at night, and I wanted bangs. I'm gonna give myself bangs, and y'all are gonna be here to watch it. So y'all, let's see how that goes. Okay. Okay, as y'all can see, I've parted my hair in the middle, and we're going to start by creating a little triangle moment right here. I need my glasses because I'm blind as fuck. And the last time I did this, it wasn't good, you know, because I was 13 and now I'm 19, so there isn't much of a difference since I look the same. Why am I doing this to myself? Oh my gosh. Okay. I can live with that. Okay. How about this side? If it's not equal, I'm gonna kill myself. Why is it so difficult? Just know, as you can see, like it parts in the center. I do not have tools to help me out once it's done. So I think the video is almost done. Yup. Okay, I'm back and I'm still doing this because I don't trust myself. I think I should take a bit here. Can someone like call me or text me and tell me to stop? Like, okay. I think she's too big. Okay, make it a tiny bit smaller so I don't regret it later. Maybe a little more smaller, a little more. Shit, that was bad. I need a clip. We're gonna look crazy. Wait, this is almost over too. We're still doing this. I'm so sorry for wasting your time. But like, it was your choice to watch this nonsense. Okay. Oh no, we don't need these. You know, the worst part is the baby hairs. Because they're like just so weird. Okay. Is this okay? You know what? I'm not satisfied with it. The videos I saw, they did it in like 5 minutes, and then there's me struggling. Oh shit, no. I think I need this section. Okay. She's a cute section, and now we're going to cut. Wait, after this one. Okay, we are ready to cut. I think I'm gonna twist it because I want the ends a bit longer. I'm just gonna try that, you know, and I'm gonna chop it longer. Oh fudge, why am I doing this? Wait. Okay, she's short, so that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna start by first snip. That was the first snip. Oh shit, I'm gonna look like a fucking egg. Oh my god. There's no volume, it's so flat. Okay. So you got this, girl. You got this. Next video. Y'all, there's no going back. She's on the floor. Okay. I'm shaking. Okay. We're gonna give her a twist, and we're gonna go in like this. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. Okay, not bad. Okay. I think I could go a lot shorter. Yeah, let's get it. Just a bit more. Okay, so this is what I ended up with till now. I'm not done. No, no, no. We're gonna go shorter because oh wait, maybe if I just a bit more, just a bit more, just a bit more. Why am I still doing this to myself? Just a bit, just a bit. She's going to be crooked. Gonna look dull again. Again. Just a bit shorter. Just a bit shorter. Watch me try and be a professional with the vertical technique. My mom won't kill me. I told her I'm doing this. Wow. Good. Okay, so I want it shorter, but I don't know how short it's gonna be. So I'm just gonna tease this bit and see what it's gonna look like because I don't have no blow dryer or anything. It's getting me now. I just knotted my hair. Okay. She's still very long. I want her short. It's gonna look like an egg, but I don't care. No, girl. More. I'm gonna eat half my head. It's looking like shit so far. You guys know what? I'm just gonna see what it looks like with like the rest of my hair before I keep going. She's very long. I need help. Should I just go to the parlor right now? Nope, we're doing this on our own because we are independent and stupid. Okay, just some more, I think. Okay, here we go. Just some more. What was that TikTok? I don't know, I watched it ages ago. TikTok's banned in India. Just some more because we feeling kinda feisty or kinda dumb. I don't know words anymore. Oh, she's very crooked. Can y'all see? Yeah, next video. I'm gonna wait. I want you all to experience this with me. Hi, what do I look like? Oh my god, I hate this so much. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go with it. We're gonna go shorter. Because it's just hair, it grows out. And anyways, my glasses are online. No one gives a shit. There you go. And chop. Fucking chop. Wait, no, it looks so bad. I don't care. It looks so bad. Like, chop more. Twist and chop. Three, I hate you. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's very uneven. Right, it's almost over. Oh, this is so short. Oh my god. Okay. I'm back. And you know what? I'm not satisfied with this. I wanted to, what's wrong with this brush? Crusty ass looking brush. Ooh, we don't like that. We want it shorter, so we're gonna go short. Short. What you doing here? Okay. We're gonna go shorter. We're gonna go a bit shorter. You know what? Let's just be extra. This is not doing anything. Okay. I'm sweating. I am sweating and shaking and everything. Okay, I can live with this. It's so bad. Hi, this is what I ended up with, and I need the little side things because because I do. So we're gonna oh fudge. You know what, I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow that I can look cute too. Okay, we're not gonna we gonna make decisions maybe like this much. Okay. Oh, she's wavy. Okay. Just a bit, and maybe like like maybe this much, you know. We're gonna go shorter. We're gonna go shorter and maybe longer at the sides. Oh my god. Maybe a bit more. Okay, hi, we're back. My hair is more oily now because I've been touching it too much. Okay. We can do this. We have two wispy thingies here. Are they equal? No, they're not. Why aren't they equal? You know what? It's fine. Wait. Everything's equal when it comes to everything. So we're gonna go. Fuck. We're gonna. How do I cut this? Wait, let's do this side. How am I supposed to cut this? Okay, let's just do this first. You know what? Let's just do this first. And let's do this. Short. So oh no, this wasn't there before. Okay, we're gonna deal with this. We're not gonna take in more hair. This much has suffered enough. Maybe a bit shorter. We can go short. Like maybe here short. I did that. Okay, you know what? She isn't looking so bad. Maybe like she's very flat, so she looks really long right now. But this isn't so bad. But maybe like this is too long, right? What do you guys think? I think it's too long. I'm gonna go shorter. Wait. Hi. Okay, so I don't have my glasses on, so we're gonna see how bad this gets. You know what, we're gonna leave that piece there. We're gonna leave this piece there. And we're gonna we're gonna take it all, including this little piece, maybe. Or oh shit, there's a mosquito. I have an audience, y'all. Don't try this at home, please. Okay, I'm not gonna cut it shorter because that would be so dumb of me. Like I haven't been dumb already. I'm not gonna cut it shorter. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at this for now and show y'all tomorrow what it looks like. Thanks for coming, guys. I've actually changed my mind. I want this part shorter. So we're gonna get it shorter. But like, you know, it will go up. But like, I don't know how much up it will go. So like, we're just gonna cut it shorter. And besides, what's life without wrenches in my eye? Okay, I'm not mad at this. She's kind of boxy, so we're gonna try and level her out. Okay, maybe like a little snip action. I can't see without my glasses. I need my glasses. What the shit? Okay. I realize there's more hair on this side than that side. Okay, maybe like little. We're gonna keep going, y'all. We're gonna keep going. Because why not? You know, like I don't need you. I need this. You know what? I'm gonna separate this down the middle again. I look like Salman Khan from Tere Naam or whatever that movie is. Oh my god. I'm tired. Okay. 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 I'm gonna go like this, I guess. Nope. We're not doing anything more. This is what we ended up with. Okay, I'm sweating, okay, and that's making it worse. You know what? I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna go to the parlor tomorrow. What does it look like? Okay. I can actually live with that. It's bad, but I can live with it. Like, do I look cute, yo? Do I look kawaii? I don't know. But thanks for watching. Those who watched till the end, you guys are the real ones. But thank you for coming on this journey with me. Until next time. Okay, bye.